back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful and very pretty baby cap. This cap is for 6th to 9th month baby, and I have used some beads. These are 4mm beads, and I made this project with 50 gram 3-ply wool. You can see this is the 3-ply wool, and I made this project with 3.5mm crochet hook. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, I have a request, friend, that if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and comment on my videos. Share it with your family and friends. So let's start the video. Okay, first of all, make a magic loop. Make a magic loop and 20 double crochet in this loop. Make 3 chains. This will be first double crochet of your project. 3 chain, and now 19 double crochet from the hole. Insert the hook into the hole and make 19 double crochet. At the end of the work, you will have 20 double crochet. Add 3 chains also in your double crochet. Okay, so repeat the same process and make 20 double crochet. Now this is 20 double crochet, and at the end of your work, just pull your loop and make it tight. Now add your work with third chain. 1, 2 and 3. This is the third number chain. Add your work with slip stitch, and for second round, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the next one, 1 more double crochet in the next one, and make 1 more at the same place. Now make 1 double crochet 2 times, 1 and 1 more into the next one, and now make 2 double crochet at the same place, 1 and 2. Now look, 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet, and in the third one make 2 double crochet at the same place. Again make 1 double crochet into the next one, and 1 more double crochet into the next one. 2 times make 1 double crochet, and at the third double crochet make 2 double crochet at the same place. In this way, increase 1 double crochet in each third double crochet. So here I have made 2 double crochet at the same place. Again 1 double crochet 2 times, 1 and 2, and in third double crochet make 2 double crochet at the same place. Repeat the same process to over the round. And now at the end of your work, add your work with the first double crochet. Don't add your work with 3 chain, third number chain. Add it with the first double crochet. This is the chain of the third double crochet, so add your work here. This will give the proper shape of your cap. Now in this round, I will increase 1 double crochet after 3 single double crochet. Second round, I have increased after 2 double crochet, 2 single double crochet, 1 times and 2 times. Now I will increase after 3 single double crochet. So 1, 2, and this one is the third double crochet. Okay, 3 chain will be counted as 1 double crochet. This is the second one, and this is the third one, and now I will increase 1 double crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, again I will make 3 single double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and here I will increase 1 double crochet. After 3 single double crochet, I will increase 1 double crochet. So to increase double crochet, I have made 2 double crochet from the same place. Again 3 single double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and here I will increase 1 double crochet to make 2 double crochet from the same place. So repeat the same process to over the round, and again at the end of the work add your work with first double crochet chain. Don't add with the third chain, add it with the first double crochet. For fourth round again make 3 chain, and now I will increase after 4 single double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 4 double crochet, and now I will increase 1 double crochet, 1 and the next one at the same place. In this way I have increased 1 double crochet after 4 single double crochet. Again I will make 4 times 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here I will increase 1 double crochet. So repeat the same process and make 5 to 6 round. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th round. Make 3 more round, but increase double crochet after. Here I have increased after 4 double crochet. In next round I will increase after 5 double crochet. After that I will increase after 6 double crochet. So repeat the same process and make 7 to 8 round. Okay, now here I have completed my 8 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in the last round, just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I have increased 1 double crochet after 8 single double crochet. Okay, now at the end make a chain and cut the thread. Okay, now the design which I will use after this pattern, it will be in the multiple of 6. So make sure your double crochet should be in multiple of 6. If not, then adjust some double crochet and make it in the multiple of 6. Here I have 62 double crochet, so my 2 double crochet is more than the 60 double crochet. 60 is the multiple of 6, so I will adjust it in my first row of designs. Okay, now here I will use some beads. So these are 50 beads. I have used 50 beads. So thread some beads with the help of needle and then start your design. If you don't want to use beads, then make your pattern without beads. It's optional. If you want, then you do or not. Okay, now let's start to make the pattern. Again add the thread, and first of all make 1, 2, 3 chain. This is the first loop. It will be the loop of your work, and in the next one make one more loop. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I have 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take some loops without overing the loops. Okay, and now over these all loops and make a slip stitch here. Use a bead make a slip stitch again with the help of bead, and now just insert the hook here where you have tie your loops. Insert the hook into this loop and make a slip stitch here. Okay, now make 1, 2 and 3 chain and just add it again in the last loop where you have made your last loop. Just add this 3 chain here and make a single crochet. Again 1, 2 and 3 chains, and now start to make another loops from the next double crochet. Don't make in this double crochet, start to make into the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Don't count these 3 chains in your 6th loop. This will be the base of your another pattern, means that when you will make the next round, then it will the base of the second round. So count from the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now over these all loops together, make a slip stitch. Use a bead, just hold it like this and make a slip stitch to tie it. And now make one more slip stitch. Insert the hook here where you have tie your loops and make a slip stitch from this loop. Again 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain will be the base of your next round. So don't count this 3 chain in your pattern. And now make a single crochet here. Again in the same double crochet. 3 chain and again start to count 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Over these all loops, make a slip stitch or tie these loops. Again use a bead. Make a slip stitch again. Just hold it and make a slip stitch again. Insert the hook. Just do as I am doing. Hold your bead in your side and this bead will be in your side. Don't do it like this. Just hold it and now make a slip stitch. Insert the hook where you have tied your loops and now make a slip stitch. Again 3 chain and just add it. Start with 3 chain and again make the same pattern. So it will be the pattern. Repeat the same process and over the round. Now I am in my last pattern and at last make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Again add your work with in the last loop. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 and add it in your first pattern. Because this 3 chain is not the base of the second round, this will be counted as the 6th loop of first pattern. So for the second round, make a slip stitch in your first chain. Here you have made 3 chains, then make not a slip stitch but a single crochet in your first chain, 1, second single crochet in the another one, and now the third. Make 1 single crochet in next 3 chains, and now again 3 single crochet in next 3 chains. So in this round you have to make 1 single crochet in each chains which you have made as a base of your next pattern. 3, 1, 2 and 3, again make 3 in next chain, 1, 2, and 3, and now 3 single crochet in next chain, 1, 2, and 3. So repeat the same process and over this round. In this round you have to make only 1 single crochet in each 3 chains. And at last just add your work with first single crochet, and now start to make the next pattern. Again start with 3 chain and make 5 loops. First of all make 5 loops because this 3 chain will be the first loop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have 6 single crochet, so use these single crochet as in your loops. Make 1 loops in each 6 single crochet. Again make a single crochet over these all loops. Use a thread. So the design is very easy, friends. Use a bead and just tie it with single crochet slip stitch. Again make the base for the next pattern. So make 3 chains, and now this 3 chain add with the single crochet just behind the beads, and again 3 chains and make 1 single crochet, 1 loop, make 6 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Over these all loops together, make a slip stitch, use a bead, just tie it with slip stitch, hold it in your side and insert the hook with the slip stitch, and again make a slip stitch. Make 3 chain and add it with the single crochet just behind the bead, and again make 3 chain and start to make loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the process which you have to repeat in your whole project. Just repeat this pattern and make, receive this process and make 5 such patterns. If you want to make more, then you can. If you want to make only 4 patterns, then also okay, you now can. Here I have completed my 1, 2, 3 and 4 rounds, and at last 1 round of single crochet. Now it's time to make one more round only of double crochet. So here I will make 1 round of double crochet, and this will be the last round of my work. Here add your work with single crochet and make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet in the next one, again 1 double crochet in the next one. So make 1 double crochet in each single crochet which you have made. 1, 1 double crochet in each single crochet and complete your work. Okay, make 1 double crochet and complete the round. And at the end of the round, add your work with 3rd chain, make a chain and cut the thread. So my cap is ready and it looks pretty. I hope you will like it. If you like it, then please give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.